Water, the lifeblood of our planet, conservation, challenges, and sustainable solutions. Water is the lifeblood of our planet. From the smallest plants to the largest animals, everything relies on water to survive. But today, our precious water resources are under severe threat. Increasing demands, pollution, and climate change have made water a scarce resource in many parts of the world. This is not just a distant issue, it affects us all. Let's explore why water is so essential, the challenges we face, and, most importantly, what we can do to protect it. We use water in almost every aspect of our lives: drinking, cooking, cleaning, growing food, and powering industries. But here's a shocking fact. Although 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water, only 3.5% of it is freshwater. Of this, less than 1% is easily accessible for human use. The rest is locked in glaciers, ice caps, and deep underground. This tiny amount must meet the needs of billions of people, plants, and animals. That's why every drop counts. How many times did you use water today? Water on Earth is constantly moving through a natural cycle, evaporating, condensing, and falling back as precipitation. This cycle is what keeps our freshwater supply flowing. But human activity can disrupt this delicate balance. When we pollute our water sources or overuse groundwater, we interfere with this natural process, putting entire ecosystems at risk. Understanding the water cycle helps us see how vital it is to keep our water clean and available. What's the next step in the water cycle after water vapor rises? Conserving water is about more than just saving money on bills. It's about protecting ecosystems that sustain life. Wetlands filter pollutants naturally, rivers provide habitats for countless species, and lakes regulate local climates. When we conserve water, we protect these vital ecosystems. Without enough clean water, fish, plants, and animals struggle to survive, and entire food webs can collapse. Water scarcity isn't a problem of the future, it's happening now. Over 2 billion people lack access to safe drinking water, and that number is growing. Overuse of water, especially in agriculture and industry, pollution from chemicals and waste, and the impacts of climate change are pushing our water systems to the brink. Rising temperatures are causing glaciers, critical sources of freshwater, to melt faster than they can be replenished. The consequences are severe: droughts, food shortages, and even conflicts over water. Which global water challenge do you think has the most impact on our future? We can't just use water without thinking about the future. Sustainable water management is about using water responsibly today so it's available tomorrow. This means smarter urban planning, better agricultural practices, and efficient industrial processes. Imagine cities that recycle rainwater, homes that use grey water for irrigation, and farms that use technology to minimize water waste. By managing our water wisely, we can create a world where every drop is valued. You don't need to be a scientist or a city planner to make a difference. Simple actions can have a big impact. Fixing leaks, installing low-flow fixtures, and using water-saving appliances can make a huge difference in households. Farmers can adopt drip irrigation to minimize water waste, and industries can recycle water in their processes. Every step counts, and when we all commit to conserving water, we protect the environment and ensure that future generations can enjoy clean, safe water. Choose one sustainable water practice to start today. What will you commit to? The change starts with you, but it grows with us. Communities can make a huge impact by advocating for better water policies, participating in cleanup efforts, or starting local conservation projects. Every person's contribution adds up, creating a ripple effect that leads to real change. Together, we can turn the tide on water scarcity and pollution. Share your water conservation idea or action plan. How will you make a difference in your community? Water is precious. By understanding its importance, managing it wisely, and taking active steps to conserve it, we can protect this vital resource for ourselves and future generations. It's not just about saving water, it's about saving life on Earth. So, let's commit to making every drop count. Remember, the power to protect our water lies in your hands. Conserve, act sustainably, and inspire others to join you in making a difference.